General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right. Let's see. Wednesday. Ten 25. Okay, so tomorrow, unemployment initial jobless claims. We might not have data because of the government shutdown. Okay, what was today? Today expanded. I'm trying to engage. I didn't get an entry though. Let's say medium, just because there was two sets of news. All of this was in line. Can you kind of say anchor point was confirmed, but it didn't get retested. Hold on, wait, because this is cross out bone. Is the expansion playing out? Yes. Tell me to see it, yes. Daily delivery. Well, I didn't get an entry. So let's see if this is. Okay, no. That's not the correct date. I should have had like a thing, like a table where I can put the calendar in there, but it's doing too much. Nas 100, engage. Why? Just looking for bread and butter. Set up to target intraday session liquidity. Since it's NFP, was not thinking of holding a one shot, one kill trade. Buy shot. Macro order flow is bullish. Daily context. Um, let's look at this on the hour. Monday large range Tuesday. Was an inside day with futures sweeping the low, but CFD's not. Wednesday did manipulation. We had bad data, and price was looking like it was pricing in rate cuts for end of month, especially with the government shutdown. We maybe not have NFP, so this could be the last straw of data for the time being. Day a week. It's easy. Wednesday kills on. London did low of the day, and news expanded. Killing range, swing point SMT. We had bullish SMT. Calendar driver. It was ADP. Employment change. 3-day look backs targets. Monday, Tuesday range. Expected large range day to take out Monday high at the minimum. Why price wasn't showing willingness to go down and the high or the current, or I could just say the old because it's not current no more. The old all-time high was a week's high. To London. Plan. This was it right here. Well, about time I started my day here. I'll watch ICT until 10. We had this news here. What's interesting is really wasn't no retracement like right here to target here, but we're already so close to the range. It's like it's just a mistrade. The ideal trade would have been here, but it would have. It's some kind of bias. I think it's called hindsight bias. Man, I'm watching the ICT stream. I see it coming down, but I'm not thinking about buying. Even though he's talking about buying it up here, I'm thinking this could still go down. You know, he likes to respect. We respect him. H1 fair value gap. Here, what key level is here? Mm, let's go 5 minute. See here, 5 minute is better because you got this RTO. Does anything stand out about this? Mm, not necessarily. Even here, this sweep when we get the nose. If I gotta go all the way to the one to find the setup, I don't like it. This run down didn't grab liquidity. It rebalanced. This is kind of like a rounded retest. Here we go. It's the only real ideal entry. From here, that's form fit, and I feel like because of going right before this news, even though the news ain't that bad, it's still like hindsight bias is what they call it. And 15 order block created in London session. Boom, boom, boom. I didn't get an entry. There was no retracement for the entry. I did like the OLR, but there was no retracement. Oh, what was my plan? My plan? New York OTE. I figured at 10, news would come out and we get a retracement and I get an entry. But price just ran. Stood there like a man and didn't chase. It hurt though. For real. It's all good. It's all good. I'm gonna get used to it. Can't catch every move. Can't catch every move. Ugh. Kill zone. Boom, boom, boom. I prioritize New York AM session because that's when the news happen. Position size, didn't get an entry. AP perform for the week, yes. London low today on Wednesday, and then low of the day on Wednesday for Wednesday midweek reversal profile. And boom, boom, all there. Yep. Yep. Everything's good. Mm, there was no confirmation. Yeah, there was price just ran. Didn't get an entry. Oh, what was my partial plan? That's what it was saying. Uh, I like Asia High. Take everything off. Wasn't sure about all-time high. Um, yeah, I just want to hear. It was funny too how we stayed under the daily open, and I'm thinking like it could still run. I've seen so many days where we just melt and disrespect this open and never come back to it. So it was still funny. This news kind of set the tone, and we wasn't really showing willingness to go up and through it super fast. It was kind of funky. It's going to take long. I want to be done trading by 12 like ICT since I'm trying to trade his style of trading anyway. Do what invalidated. Didn't even chase. My price was just one sided. When price runs like that, I'd rather wait for OTE to get a better price on my buy. Outcome, cost of business. Well, I didn't take a loss. Didn't get an entry. Just a lesson on patience. Let's see. We can see. Can I put an opening line here? This is news release. I'm on the M5. Okay, cool. This is the best possible entry here. Mm, That's the best possible entry. Where's the long position to? There you go. Yeah, because it came down here. That would have been the best possible trade. That's a 1 and 3 though. That's huge. Okay, there go 2R right there. Just the Asia high or to the open price. 2.1. What the price delivered today? Best entry possible at 9:50, 10 minutes before news. Hold on. Red folder news. After news really gave it the expansion. Yeah. Beautiful edge from today. One sentence. I mean, days like this would be like about a breakout because you at least get a little bit, but it's like, mm-mm. I think the one repeatable edge for today is start paying more attention to London, and if you miss it, just chill. Don't try to force your way into every day that it expands. Start looking during London session more if I'm not sleeping, and the main repeatable edge is sticking to my model and waiting on that retracement. If then this boom for the next similar days, it's just not. It don't kind of really don't fit there. Context framework entry exit. Chart posted here. C chart. No entry. Oh. Screenshot 2 lines of lines. Boom, boom, boom. Here. It's an all-time motto. And then I'm gonna hit the delivery down here too. Did the framework pay out? Yeah. What I learned about myself. I'm staying in position. That's important. Yeah, I position. Chase. That's when I step out of the role being a professional. What will I watch for tomorrow? Tape reading. Don't know about this news canceling or government shutdown stuff. Hey, here, boom. Time frame F15. Let's go here. Oh, I need to take those markers off of the other one, or get like an execution layout. All right, so this is my chart from yesterday. What is these lines? Oh, okay. I think this is like order blocks or something. Oh, okay, this is that. It's just a gap here. Let's keep these on this. That would have been TP1. It's very swing by side liquidity. That would have been the ideal. Okay, so we smack that. Don't need this. This is beautiful. And I do like this even more now. We kind of stayed here. It's crazy, huh? Then we came and smacked this. I was looking at that. We spent a lot of time on NASDAQ. It's all good. That's my ticker. All right. And then low today. Today, no retracement in New York. Outside it completely. I wonder if the other indices. This one tried to. Nah, US SPY is strong. US 30 is dirty. Okay. So here we smack this. We don't need this. This week highs no more. Now we actually got us a real high. We still, well, nope, this is jagged now. No more smooth edge here. Delete that line. Okay. We don't need this anymore either. This is a weird, like, accumulation range up here. It's gonna be our breaker for the future. We could use it to come sell off of it. I don't think I need this anymore either. I do like how we snatched all this liquidity. And I do like this sell sign objective down here, but let's just go higher. Let's see. We already got our target here. Hmm, when's the last time we had a real pullback? I think that's when I got these. Yeah, so we don't need no new ones yet. We need a pullback after this, and then I can kind of project some more targets. This is next though. What's after that? It's a huge gap. Um, we don't have no swing high or low yet. You see this accumulation range? Let me project this. Boo, 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 boo. All right, so we got two deviations of this. Let's see, -3. Just quoting at 24,956.50. And it's basically here to here. Let's go. Hold on. Right here. I already got this breaker here. Um, what's this? Wow, that was perfect. All right, TP2. If you make 2R on the way up there, then that's good. Be paper trading. Chart image. Mm-hmm. I'm thinking retracement. Retracement. I want it today. I get tomorrow. I think watch 50% of today's candle, and even sell above previous day high. We may have a sell to buy scenario. All right. Oh, that looks crazy. Them Bang energy drinks are delicious. All right, we finally broke. On to new adventures. Today was the day we came to this order block and we retested the EL line. Interesting delivery. Beautiful candle. Note the sweep of the lows and the close above the highs. That's a one shot, one kill candle. That's in just one day. A 2-day trade in one day. Let's go silver. M15 over here. See, I was ready. I had everything. It's like, we gotta see what's going on. Yeah, the candles. Look at today's delivery though. It's like, boom. Where's New York? It's like, all right, I'm ready to trade. Chop, 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 chop. It is what it is. Yeah. It didn't even go to like, it took Asia high and then just stayed in Asia. This, I mean, you can kind of see these little moves, but it don't. What's the rule? 15-minute displacement. We wasn't playing around Asia open, but we stayed inside Asia range. It's so many reasons not to trade that chart. Let me see this. Okay. All right. Note the delivery. Price chopped all day. And Asia range. House PA. With only one small attempt to leave the range. Okay. All right, go to the H1. Is this breaker holding? Not really. This was a bearish block. We will watch this since it's just a high and it was a consolidation. We got monthly high up here. Price is bullish. Look at all this mess. This really look like you want to sell, at least to here. So I'm gonna keep my eye on this. Rules are rules. Trading all-time high rules. Look for buys. Look for buys under lows. I don't think we This rejection block is interesting. We haven't retested this. I'm surprised we haven't hit this. Or this. Well, that's not that high probability. But I would like at least half of this. Mm, I think this is the line with the alert. Cool. That's better. Mm, I'm watching the rejection block. And I'm watching the strength of this buy. I feel like it's losing steam. I wouldn't touch this. Hold on. I wouldn't touch this tomorrow unless they open the government back up. Mm, let's go to the daily. Okay, so that's a daily block. And this is, let's go here. I'm trying to grab the trend line. Oh well. Look, I done clicked it 50 times. Visibility. See settings. Bam. Okay. I do like this being an up candle. You gotta watch this premium wick, as ICT likes to call it. I think Fadi made an indicator for greater than open range too. I already got one for week, so don't try me. Um, so down candle, up candle closing prices, down candle open prices. I don't want to turn my chart into a grid though. Give me this closing price. Daily bullish rejection block. Hold on. All right. do laundry. All right, daily rejection block, big review. Oh wait, this is silver. And this is the daily. It did come to 25%. ICT ain't playing about nothing great in the creative premium week. Also watching previous day close. Previous day closing price. And the daily rejection block. The daily bullish rejection block. Okay. And 15. This was tacky. This was the tackiest chart of the day. So mapped it out, started the day, like, okay, this what we got to work with. If we came to this order block, it's like, okay, Monday's low. It just didn't do anything. Let's look at this profile, London high. And we just came back to Monday. Is it only showing me 3 days worth of lines? No, the self make those indicators. EQ. This is Monday's EQ. Should I pick a different color for this week? Yeah. Yeah, it's better than green or yellow or something. I just already had a yellow. I need to get a better color template thing. You know how Monday been holding the week, like the whole week so far, and this Wednesday. So just not a good week. It's a week for EU, but also no. This is just the start of the quarter. Hold on. Let's go here. Price not expecting anything. We're just sitting here holding. Expecting anything. Just accumulating. Could be waiting on NFP. I mean, if they cancel NFP, shouldn't price kind of just go, or is it gonna sit on the couch until they open the government back up? Like, that's a good question. Let me put these lines where they need to, because there's too many lines. Mm, okay. Okay. Where's this line? Here it is. All right. Now, much better. All right. So now we can see this is the last time we closed above a high. This candle here is interesting. That's the main candle. This is what we got. Trap order flow. We're not closing above here. We're not closing above here. This is ugly. Did we get a instant retest right here? Looks like we did. Mm, instant retest or immediate rebalance, or it's not immediate rebalance. Immediate rebalance is immediate. It's just it tested it. Damn, we wigged here. This could be bearish. What's up with the dollar? I think the dollar is bullish right now. I'll pull out my ICT layout. Dollar's just dollar's bearish. Yeah, it's just buy this. It's just holding though. This is manipulation. I'm gonna sit on my hand. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, cool. All right, all this is done. That was pretty low. Have a good day. Peace.